In the previous lesson, we saw how create variants feature work. There, we pass our own starting image and the same text prompt. But instead of passing the same text prompt, we can vary the prompt and add new styles to it. The final output image that is generated starts from our input image, but then is guided by the modified text prompt. That way, we can create a fusion of styles between the input image and the one passed by the text prompt. For this slide, I have used the filters in Playground AI instead of modifying the prompt, simply because it is convenient and effective. Here, I'm using image to image, and instead of passing the same text prompt, I am choosing a filter as well from the Playground AI filters menu. Here, I've chosen pixels, Pilberg, retro anime, oil painting, perfume, and dark comic as an example. So we see here that we see the hints of both our input image, which is in pop art, as well as the selected filter in the output image. We can also reduce the image strength to have more of the filter and less of the original image in the final output. That's how we create a style fusion.